Hello all, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video in Flexsim, we are going to understand how I can update cumulative percentages in the global table based on my parameter values. And next thing, how can I update my global table values referencing to my parameters? Because parameter is the most important feature in Flexsim which can be used for optimizers. And hence, whenever a value is changed here, my global table value should change here and I should get a cumulative version of the percentages, right? So if 36, this is 50, that is 36 plus 50, it's 86, and it should go on calculating. So how can we do this? So there are two major steps we are gonna see. First, how to present or how to print parameter values in the into the global table, and the second thing would be how to generate cumulative percentages referencing to your percentage values in the global table. So let's start. So the first thing which is required to do in order to replicate these parameters into the global table is whenever you create a global table, there you have an option of referencing it. You need to reference that to that particular cell out there. If you see, you can see that it's row 1 percentage is the column, and you need to set a value of the node. Okay, and whenever you do reset, that at that time only the value will get changed. So if I do, now it's not changing. When I do it reset, value will be changing to 50. So for 50 also you need to do the same thing in the referencing. You need to select it from the dropper, and in this you need to put set node value, and similarly for parameter 3. So you will have these three things, set it up. And then now the time is to have a cumulative percentages been created using referencing this percentages. For that, what you need to do is you need to go in this on reset trigger. You need to open this, and here you need to type in this syntaxes. Okay. If you need any support, put your questions in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, and what you're gonna do is do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for more simulation tutorials, advanced modules, and more exciting related to industrial automation and AI. So what we are doing here, if you come in, if you see here, table global row 1 cumulative is equal to 1. So what we're going to do basically is, I'll just bug it here and I'll just show you. What we do is first row is basically going to be the same value of the percentage there. Second row is going to be the addition of my row 2 percentage and my row 1 percentage. Okay, and the next thing is going to be my all three rows added and get a cumulative. There is also another way where you can add this cumulative row with this, add cumulative row with this, and you will get that. Let me know that script in the comment section below. Put that in the comment section below, so let us see who brings the correct script for that order. So that's all for today, guys. In this video, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, our channel for exciting tutorials related to PlantSim, Flexsim, Python, and much more. If you need any support related to Flexsim simulation projects and stuff, do not forget to reach us out from contact us page. So let us meet in another interesting video in real industry problems using Flexsim. So till then, keep watching. Bye bye.